Down on dubs, dubs, down on dubs,
Hold on, I know it's a
Regiment on salute.
Hold on.
Hey everybody, this is Maurice Englishman, and for the first time I'll be in Puerto Vallarta. I'll be performing with my band Profile, and I'll also be doing the backing band. I'll be accompanying Cassiano. Thank you for the invitation, Cassiano. And yes, Bob Marley's song will be there, Kimani Marley, and La Yaga, some friends of mine that I haven't seen in a long time from Guadalajara, amigos de Guadalajara. So yeah, I hope to see everybody there, and yeah, everything's ready, and we'll see you on the 25th of March, which is Good Friday. Real quick, amigos en español, estaré también en el Festival de Puerto Vallarta, el Festival de Reggae en Puerto Vallarta, con mi banda Profile, con músicos muy conocidos de aquí de México, y también estaré, no estoy muy segura de la fecha, pero también haré una clínica, un taller sobre unas cosas así fundamentales de la música reggae. Entonces, espero verlos por allá. Hope to see everybody there. Good Friday, the 25th. Good Friday, yes. Semana Santa en español. Hope to see you there. And Maurice Englishman, one love, respect. 25 de marzo, 25th of March, Puerto Vallarta Reggae Festival. Respect, one love.
So I'm sad to say I'm on my way. I won't be back for maybe a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to meet a little girl in Kingston Town.